Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Uh, Let me introduce myself. I am Uning Lestari, PhD student from TMK UTEM. In today's symposium, I will present my research. Is titled Implementation of Key-Main Algorithm for Automatic Learning Style Classification on Felder-Silverman Model. Background my research over the past few decades, information communication technology have significantly impacted education, introducing a new learning method such as computer and the internet. E-learning courses often delivered through LMS use various technologies. E-learning allow for the delivery and assessment of learning material. Still, it generally does not account for individual student differences, making studying challenges due to varying learning preferences and understanding level and background. Learning style describe how students prefer to receive, work with, and internalize information. Understanding these preferences can enhance the learning process. Each student learn differently, so lecturers should consider this style to be effective and productive. Computer programming is mandatory in most IT institutions, but many students perform poorly in these courses. This trend is evident in major technical universities offering computer science diplomas and degrees. My objective research to the first to identify student learning style based on studying student behavior in learning programming course, and the second, the purpose of the study is to analyze the influence of learning style on student ability in programming course based on student achievement using K-mean to compare accuracy and precision. The program statement my research, LMS-based online learning is dynamic, especially in programming lesson, and demand a personalized approach that suits its student learning style in obtaining and processing information. Student preferences activity on the LMS are recorded automatically on the LMS log server. The data stored on the log server has yet to be widely used by educators to detect learning style based on student preferences. And the second, what are the observ- observable behavior patterns students exhibit while engaging in online programming course, and how can this pattern be categorized into distinct learning style? And the third, how do different learning style impact student performance in an online programming course? And how can K-mean clustering be utility to quantity the relationship between learning style and achievement? Uh, I have I have review for several literature, and I have the five category is the first classical on learning style model and source collecting learning based on the data set. And the third, learning style based on subject area. Fourth, goal of implementation learning style identification. And the last, classification method of learning style analysis. Uh, in this literature review, the first, I have uh, classification of learning style category. I have to fight for a learning style model is Filter-Silverman, Park, Kolb, and Honey and Manford. And it can be seen in this table. The most paper use Filter-Silverman model. at 45.2%. And then categorical source collected learning style based on dataset resources. I have divided three category is questionnaire and database log saver, and the third hybrid. And you can see in the table in the most paper use questionnaire at 55.7%. And then learning style categorical with subject area, I have divided for five categorical is social, programming, computer science, health, and engineering. And the most researcher use subject area in computer science, yeah, at the 34.6%. And then categorical for goal implementation, I have defined for goal implementation is enhancing higher learning performance, and the second, developing improved technical algorithm and facilitating the learning process, and the last, increasing overall process efficiency. And the most people, the most people, the most people in this and the research use enhancing performance at 55, 55.7%. And then classification method of learning style analysis, I have defined several algorithm, and the first rule based and key mean, fuzzy system, descriptive statistic, neural network, kayak neural network, super SVM, naive bias, decision tree, and other. And so the most researcher of 52 paper use a descriptive statistic at 48%. And I have also summary research gap automatic learning style detection. It can be seen in this table. I have I have resume I have resume at several author uh, for detection automatic learning style model uh, with uh, filter Self-Farman and so on. And algorithm use, and then subject of based on literature review. Based on literature review, my research focus on classification of learning style model. I use Filter Self-Farman model. Uh, Based on for source collected data set, I use implicit or automatic. And based on learning style, I use computer science. And based on goal implementation, I use developing improve to technical algorithm. And classification method, I use K-mean and naive Bayes. And next, research design on methodology, problem identifier. Uh, a lot of work has been done in the area of learning style detection. The problem are predominant in the area. Real dataset have not been used for the validation of the proposed model. In some applications, the model have not compared to other for accuracy, precision, and recall. Most of the paper that use of filter Self-Farman learning style model mostly skip either one or two dimension of the model. And this in the uh, in my research, I use Vogel-Sellerman learning style model. In the Vogel-Sellerman model, have have divided to four dimension. Uh, is namely input, processing, perception, and understanding. And each dimension divide into two categorical. For example, input for dimension input divide to visual and verbal. Dimension processing divide to active reflective. Perception divide to sensitive intuitive, and then dimension understanding divide to sequential and global. The four dimension FSLM can be seen in this table, table one for mapping Felder-Silverman. In I have uh, I have in this table dimension four dimension and elementnya and element each four uh, dimension, and this is description and learning resource. For example, uh, input divide visual and verbal. Learning resource, for example, image, chat, video, audio, PDF file, email, and announcement. And for processing dimension, learning resource, for example, forum, assessment, email, online, chat, and access. And dimension perception, for example, assessment, exam revision, and assessment. For understanding, divide to sequential and global. Learning resources, navigation, page close, and exam result. This is the four dimension Vogel-Silverman. And in my research, I have a combination of learning style model Vogel-Silverman. There can be 16 combination of learning style that can be formed using value of each dimension in the model. It can be seen in this table. Uh, for ID, Vogel-Silverman 1, Vogel-Silverman 2, until Vogel-Silverman 16. And each ID contain combination of the dimension. For example, uh, FS1 contain active, sensing, visual, sequential. FS2 contain active, sensing, visual, global. FS3 active, sensing, verbal, sequential, and so on until FS16 contain reflective, intuitive, verbal, and global. This is combination for Vogel-Silverman dimension. And my research use for 16 combination dimension, and I have process research. I have process birth divide to in three three processing. The first LMS session, and the second data pre-processing, and the third modeling process. And LMS session, on the first LMS session, I have uh, interaction learner and material course in LMS in database in log server, log file LMS, and then data processing. The second process, data processing, divide cleansing dataset, normalize process, and extract feature and selecting dataset. And the third modeling process for dimension over document model contain labeling dataset and then clustering process and then classification process. Clustering process, cluster one, cluster second until cluster 16, yeah, until 16. Feature of learning style, my research, yeah, dimension filter development. This is processing, perception, input, understanding. For example, uh, for example, uh, for example, feature processing divide into online forum, chat, participant, course, result, and practicum in laboratory. Yes, and online forum is divide into category F1, post message and reply message. For example, and chat C1 very often used, C2 sometimes, and C3 never. For example, participant, yeah, P1 attendance of more than 75%, P2 attendance between uh, 50% until 75%, and P3 attendance less than 50%, and so on until understanding. Uh, for for example, exam E1, the score of more than 75, E2, the score 50 until 75, and E3, the score less than 15. Long stay in understanding, dimension understanding, feature name exam, and long stay in LMS, L1, an average of more than 120 minutes, L2 average of less than 120 minutes. This is feature of learning style in my research. And this is I have uh, I have data set uh, for model came in data set from PPO course pemrograman base object in object oriented programming. I have from data from log server. This is for example, and then score in because LMS and scoring is different application. I have combined. I have combined two file from LMS for activity student and uh, uh, scoring student in application SIAKAT. Yeah, in my institution SIAKAT. This is you can see that score grade PPO pemrograman berbasis objek or object oriented programming. And then I use Kamin algorithm in my research at because I choose the Kamin because clustering function to group database on the level of similarity and minimum distance. The advantage easy to implement, faster processing time, easier to adopt the other methods. And the weakness, the initialization of the initial centroid value is random, so that is greatly affect the result of the less than optimal grouping. Determine of the value of k, which is still using trial and error. And then result in discussion. data set in my research. In this paper, I use data set was taken from LMS for the object-oriented programming course, and the data set consists 10 features, and the total data is 135, 34 data. I this procedure, this is initial centroid because I use K-mean. I have a distance for initial centroid algorithm procedure. I have create in MATLAB. In MATLAB, this is procedure. This is procedure in MATLAB for initial centroid algorithm K-mean. I have uh, I decrypt in MATLAB. An illustration of K-mean algorithm. This is in the table a 134 user ID its record is processing, perception, input, understanding, and divided into forum online chat participant as perception, ada coursework, practicum, assessment, submission untuk for input, divide text and video, understanding, exam and long stay. And this is field from field from data log server and transform in this table. And determine initial centroid. You can see that in the uh, 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 the first step determining initial centroid converting in from numerical format to character code. This is in this table convert to the second table. This is F2. Ini jadi 2, only 2. C3, only 3, and so on. Simulation K-mean algorithm, you can see in, it can be seen in this table. In this table, I have created 16K or cluster, and distance centroid result. This is in this table for each for each for each for each cluster and closest distance, and you can and can be seen in uh, uh, close distance in the class each cluster, and then calculate new centroid with for uh, with average value of the data set is the member of cluster, calculate new centroid, and then calculate the distance of each data set to the new centroid and calculate the value objective function. A new centroid result, it can be seen in this table. New centroid that can be seen in this table. And loop iteration 2, iteration 3, until significant close distance. And this is the last clustering result. In this table. This cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3 until cluster 16, and this is a number of user ID and a description user ID, and I have some percentage for cluster, and this is the most number of use is filter settlement. The first filter settlement, yeah, this is number 20.60%. And then filter settlement 16, number of use of 15, 15 percentage is 11% and then FS 5 number of use the 13 percentage is 9.70%. And conclusion, the clustering research show the majority students are cluster 1 at 20.90% and next cluster 60 at 11% and cluster 5 at 9%. That means that the learning style in the object-oriented programming course is mostly in cluster 1, namely active, sensing, visual, and sequential. And the meaningful students learn better through interaction and discussion. They prefer to be involved in hand-on activity and work in group. Students prefer concrete and factual information. They may be more interested in concrete example of programming application that abstract theories. Students find it easier to understand information presented visually, such as diagram, graph, video, and schematic. Students learn by following logical, sequential steps. They prefer to learn in a linear, systematic order, understanding the material step by step. This is maybe this is my presentation. Thank you.